Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about Cash App budgeting with Cash App. First, Cash App isn't just for sending or receiving money, it also has tools to help you track your spending and stay on top of your budget. Start by reviewing your Activity tab regularly. This shows a clear history of your transactions so you can exactly see where your money is going, whether it's bills, shopping, or sending money to your friends. Next, use the cash card feature to control your spending. Since cash card draws directly from your cash app balance, try loading only the amount you want to spend for the week or month. This helps limit overspending because you are using a prepaid card. You can also set up a direct deposit to get your paycheck or other income straight into Cash App. That way, you know exactly how much money you have available to budget with each pay period. Another useful tip is to create separate Cash App balances or linked bank accounts for different purposes like savings, bills, and daily expenses. Some users even open a secondary Cash App account to separate funds easily. So I hope this video was helpful so that you can understand how to do budgeting using Cash App. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video and found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel and ring the bell if you want to get notified every time we upload any video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.